Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to deploy Spring Boot application in AWS EC2. First, create and launch an EC2 instance with Ubuntu or Amazon Linux as the OS. SSH into your EC2 instance using the code shown on screen. Install Java with sudo apt install openjdk-17-jdk or the required version. Now transfer your Spring Boot JAR using the on-screen code. Run your app with java-jar app.jar inside the EC2 instance terminal. Then open the required port like 8080 in the EC2 security group for external access. Access the app from your browser using ec2-public-ip:8080. Next, use a reverse proxy, optional like Nginx, for routing or domain setup. Lastly, set up PM2 or systemd to keep your Spring Boot app running in the background. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.